Well, I get out of here. Check out one more spot that I've been to. I'm looking for people to ride with, but I don't know anybody that rides around here. Whoa. I don't know anybody that rides. And no, let's say I don't know anybody that rides a small bike like I got, 250. I'm not out for doing some major 15-foot jumps or anything. I'm just looking for trail riding fun, that's all. I didn't expect to get muddy today. Didn't know that it was going to be this far overflowed. A little easier going out than it was going in. Maybe. Whoa. Yeah, a little muddy. I guess it's worth it just checking it out. Looks like somebody's taking some major off-road vehicles back here. I'll come back out here in this midsummer when all this water goes away and check it out then. Gonna fling some mud right now. Yeah, we used to own those 3 houses right there. That house right there is good and bad memories. That's where last house we lived with my mom. Didn't make it out of there. So, alright. Guess I'll leave it running for now. Well, not gonna go that far. We'll see if I got enough memory space. If it cuts out on me, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know how much memory I got left in this SD card. So again, sorry if it cuts out on you. Thinking, yeah, we'll go this direction. Uh-oh, traffic. Some sirens going somewhere. And I want to go straight, so we're going to get over 3 lanes and we'll go straight. These little roads and trails I used to go on when I was a kid with my little 1976 Yamaha Enduro. Didn't have a license to get me on the road with that one though. We just drove it around because we could. Back then it wasn't that big a deal. Sounds like something's clanking around down there. Maybe, hopefully it's the keys. Right up here on the right, all those trees are up there. Got a couple little trails. carburetor's still not working 100%, but I guess it's better. It's running anyway. I'm not a bike mechanic. Blinker on still. Looking for my entrance here. I saw one back there. It had a big sign that said no something on it. So we're just gonna go along here and see what I can find. Some walk trails in. I think that's going to be the only thing there. Let's see what I can find. Trail right there, we'll check that out. Groundhog. Not too sure where I'm going. Like I said, it's been quite a while. Hopefully I got enough memory at least to get you back in there.